Alright, hello YouTube. This is going to be the first time I've actually done something on YouTube as far as any kind of auto repair or anything like that. So I've been having a problem. This is my 2002 Chevy Silverado 1500 four-wheel drive, and I replaced the wheel bearing hub. It's all messed up, it's all loose, so I got to replace it. So there's plenty of videos on how to get to this point, but I've seen some other videos on if it's stuck, you're kind of need a porter power and all kinds of other stuff. So I kind of figured out another way because I got to get this done, and it's the only way I can get around. So anyhow, I went through my toolbox and I found this is a manifold or a header spreader to get lined up with the bolts. So one spins out, the other one's reverse thread, so it's a spreader. So you can line up with the bolts. Well, so what I did was I just went ahead and put the bolt back into it. Kind of lines up real good right there. And then start rotating it. It's hard with one hand. Spread it out a little bit here. And if I had a good editing, I would just go ahead and edit this part out while I try to fix this. There we go. So I've already done this portion down here. It's kind of starting to spread, as you can see, and I've been beating on it with a chisel and a hammer for a good hour and got frustrated, so have to get a little innovative. So start spinning this thing. Going to be in a, depending on which way you look at it, counterclockwise direction. So now I'm just going to start rotating this thing. Now let's start spreading out. Now there's a sun, there's a glare on here, so it's kind of hard. And as you can see, it's starting to separate finally.